Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube for a recap of the final routine museum installation that was published this week. The final installation includes studioxoxo Basix supermodel and male model dolls designed by CJ Stars. These multi-articulated dolls have authentic facial features and are rising stars in the fashion doll world. This single installation completes the museum's mission. For new viewers, DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum was founded on January 17, 2021. The mission of curating and installing 1,000 black dolls in the combined categories of antique, vintage, modern, and one-of-a-kind dolls has been met. To date, there are 1,012 dolls installed in these combined categories. While routine weekly Monday, Wednesday, and Friday installations have ceased, other museum features and offerings are planned. So please stay tuned, and if you're not already a subscriber, visit virtualblackdollmuseum.com, click the subscribe button, and enter your email address to receive future updates. Thank you for watching and subscribing to both the museum and to this YouTube channel. Find us also on Pinterest and Instagram.